Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to April Education's Daily Tech Tips. And in today's video, we're looking at how to use Tinder for PC or Mac. Now, Tinder was built mainly as a mobile app for your Android and iOS smartphones. And for people who wanted to use this service on the big screens of their computers, there were third-party applications and simulators and all sorts of things to use Tinder on the PC. But a couple of years ago, Tinder introduced the desktop interface, which then went through a series of upgrades, and now we have the official Tinder for PC or Mac web interface, which you can actually access through a web browser by just going to tinder.com. And assuming you already have a Tinder account, you can just log in the way you'd normally log in on your smartphone, either with Facebook or with a phone number. So the Facebook option will require you to enter your Facebook username and password so that you can access Tinder through your Facebook account. But then if you're like me and use your phone number, just click here and then enter your phone number like that and click on continue. And then I'll get a text message on my phone with the security code for logging in. So here's my code. Then I'll click on continue and I'll be logged in to my Tinder account. Now Tinder might request for your location so that it's able to hook you up and try to match you with people who are in your location. So Google Chrome or whichever other browser you're using might request to access your location settings, and you have to grant it that. So once you do that, you'll be right inside Tinder, and everything here looks almost the same as it looks on the mobile interface, but everything just seems bigger and more accessible on the web interface. So right there, you can already see your possible matches, and you can just use your mouse to swipe right or swipe left or swipe up for that super like, that coveted super like. But if you don't want to use your mouse, you can use these buttons down here. So that's swiping left, that's swiping right, and the blue star, oops, so I got a match there, keep swiping, and the blue star is a super like, equivalent to swiping upwards. And you can also use your keyboard if you want, if you really don't want to use your mouse to either click or use it to drag this left or right. You can use your mouse, and you can see the instructions are down here below. So left is for swiping left, the right arrow is for swiping right, up arrow, the upward arrow is for going to their profile, downward arrow is for closing profile, enter is for super like, just like that. Sorry about that. And if you have a contact with more than one photo in their profile like this, you can use the spacebar to scroll through the photos just like that. So that's basically how to scroll through Tinder. Now on the left hand side, you'll be able to see your matches. These are all your matches that you've made and the messages that you've been sending each other with your matches. You can just find them right there. And then when you click on your profile, you'll be able to edit a lot of things in your Tinder account. First of all, you can edit your profile, the information in your profile. So you can add photos, add some more information about you, a job title, company, school, all that stuff. And then on the left hand side, there are also some settings like maximum distance, the age range that you're interested in, your interest basically, and a lot of other settings that you can change in your Tinder. So that's basically how to use Tinder for PC. And everything you do here will be reflected, and you can continue doing it in the Tinder application for either iOS or Android. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. But until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.